Hello, geometry students. Welcome to another week. So I have for this week the series of videos talking about the instruction. They're all longer videos. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to make them any shorter, but they do cover everything that you need with examples. Now, the difference from last week is I actually have the PDF of the notes I wrote in the video saved below it. So you'll be able to access it and look at the notes that I wrote as I was writing them in the videos themselves. The practice is up. The weekly discussion is up like in the previous weeks. The quiz will be posted on Wednesday. I have it updated so that there's no synchronous meetings on Monday or Tuesday, and all the links available to meet with you guys on Wednesday for third period and Thursday for fourth and fifth. And so I'm looking forward to working with you guys this week. As you get started with the practice and watching the videos, please email me, reach out to me. I'd love to help you guys in the beginning of the week, answer your questions, Google Meet with you individually, work with your emails, and help you guys out. So then when I meet you guys on Wednesday and Thursday, we're focusing on those bigger questions, once again, like last week, and then be able to head into the quiz and work into the weekend after that. Just as a notification, I'm still grading your quizzes from last week, so the gradebook will be updated here shortly, probably within the next couple of days if everything goes smoothly. And so I thank you guys, and I look forward to working with you all this week.